Hello there, beautiful people. If you want to know how to show different videos on desktop and mobile on your Shopify store with the latest update and without using any applications, that's exactly what I'm about to show you. So you will be able to show different videos, especially for the banners on the desktop and on the mobile, because obviously the ratio, the size is not the same. So you have to show different videos when it comes to the different devices. As you can see right now, this is a video banner on desktop. However, if I switch to the mobile and reload the page, it will show a different video on the banner, as you can see. And it's very easy. You just have to select the video, which video you want to show on the desktop and on the mobile. Without any more talking, let's do some to it. Because I actually removed it. If I reload the page now, the section is gone, either on the mobile as well as the desktop. So how to add it, that's very easy. The first thing you're going to do is access Shopify dashboard. If you are in Shopify dashboard, click on sales channel from the left menu and click on online store. And the next thing you're going to do, which is the most important step, is make sure you duplicate the theme. So every customization, you do them on the duplicated theme. If you like the changes, click on publish. If you don't, you still have the previous version intact. After that, click on the three dots and click on edit code. Then it will open up the code editor on your Shopify store. After that, on the left panel right here, you will see some folders, the one that says sections. Simply click on it to be expanded. Then after that, right click on the section name, which is sections, and click on new file and simply name it video-banner.liquid. And no worries, you can remove the text from the banner, remove the button, show only the video. All of that you can do them just by clicking. So make sure you add the file extension .liquid and click on enter, and it will create the file. Now what we need to do is we need to paste in the code. We're going to get that code from the description. Scroll down the description box and you will see a link. Click on it, will take you to this page right here. Then scroll a bit and you will see this code, and simply use this button to copy the whole code. Get back to the code editor and paste it in the file that we did create. Click on save. Now we're done. Now get back to Shopify dashboard and click on edit theme for the theme where you added the section. Now simply navigate to the page where you want to add the section. If you want to add it to the product page, click on home page and navigate to the product page. In my case, I want to add it on the home page below the header. So move the mouse cursor, or actually on the left here, you will see template. Move the mouse cursor below it, you will see plus button, click on it and simply type in video, and you will see this autoplay video by On How Studio. Click on it and it will add the section in here. However, on the left or on the right, depends on what screen you're using, you should see two options: desktop video and mobile video. And this is the main event of the evening. So obviously select the videos. Let me select this one for desktop and this one for the mobile. And there is some options in here, a lot options to customize them. I did go over all of these in my previous video. Let me remove the heading, description, click on save. Now I have only video, but for mobile, I have different video. As you can see, on and desktop, I have different video. And that's how you show different videos from mobile and desktop, by using your own custom code, no applications involved in here. If you need help with your Shopify store, make sure to reach out. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.